Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So today we are going to learn about the grid in C# code. It is backend code. Um, this is the code and this is output. So this is as you know, this is row span and this is column span. Okay, there are 3 row and 3 columns and means 4 columns and 1 2 3 4 4 rows. Okay, so we have learned these things in XAML in previous video. You can see in YouTube. I have uploaded this video in XAML, so you can go through this. I have also created a video where I explain the basic thing of the grid. So please watch that video. It will be very understandable to understand this code. Okay, now let's begin. So first of all, we have to declare a grid by using a grid class. Okay, then I have used 3 rows. For first row is auto row, means it will take a auto by default, and another grid length is 200, so it will take a 200 height, and another is stars, means the rest of the height. Okay, and there I have taken 4 column. I have taken 4 column. So this all are the star, means it will the column will be equally divided. Okay, I have taken here 3 row because this is first row, this is second row, this is nested grid. Okay, so in the third row this is grid. We will learn this. So first of all, you have to add this row definition. Okay, there are 2 ways to add a row definition or column definition. First of all, first way is to define the row definition here and add a row definition by the variable. Okay, another is in the grid by using the in the grid. There will be property row definition, and uh, uh, you have to add a row definition like this. Okay, so there are 2 ways. First of all, you have to create a row definition variable and add the row definition variable to the row definitions property. Another way is inside the grid you can assign a row definition value like this. Okay, and here and also column same. So here if you want star, then you can directly use without assigning any property. With I did not assign any with the property, so it will by default take a star. Okay, now now we saw that how to add a row definition and column definition. Now we will add a control in the grid. Okay, so you can add a grid dot children dot add and add a control. Okay, you can add by directly control in the add method, or you can create a control variable and add that variable in the add method. Okay, there are two options, so you can use the better way you like. Okay, so uh, here you have to add okay there are 3 parameter. So first parameter is view, means control what you want to add in the add method, or what you want to add in a grid, and this is a column value and this is a row value. What column and what row this control should be added. Okay, so same way I added a box view for the first column, second column, and this is third column. Okay, now I want to add a row span in the fourth column. So what I have done, I have added grid, third column, and the first row. Okay, so and grid dot set row span, added this box view, and row span is equal to 2. So I have set here row span 2. Same, I have added grid for the this column. Okay, so you can see this row, sorry, this row, you can see this is second row, and this is nested grid. Okay, you have to define just the grid and add a grid, uh, grid dot children dot add a grid. Okay, and give the column and row value. So for column span, use a set column span, add a control, and what column you have to uh, um, uh, combine. So number of column you have to combine. I want to combine 4 columns, so I write down 4. So it will combine 1 2 3 4. So it has combined the 4 column and created a grid. Okay, and assign that grid to the content to display the grid on the page. Okay, so hope this is useful for you. If you like this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. And this code is available here, so you can get this code from here. I will share this link in the description section. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.